Hello guys, welcome back again. And in this video we are doing technical analysis of Ethereum, and Ethereum is perfectly coming downside, and in 1 hour downside break of structure had happened here. First here chalk happened, and here break of structure. So this was the good area or fair value gap area. It worked very well. Bearish engulfing forms. This was entry hour, and here this was my target. I have given this signal in my premium group. So what is happening now, and what we should expect next? So if we analyze it on daily basis, then all the major fair value gaps are visible on the daily time frame. So market can also touch this one, market can also touch this one. Okay, so how and why you should look for long term entries? So for the long term, I will say that wait for this area or wait for this area to build long term entries. And how you will build? When market will came into these areas, then you have to look for 4 hour and 1 hour chart time frame, and then you will find bullish engulfing after touching it, or in between these fair value gaps, and then you can take entry. Why we are looking for those patterns? Because it can also fail. So if it has to be failed, then those patterns or those bullish signs will not be visible in between these fair value gaps. Okay, so this is for the long term, and for the short term, it is almost touching the resist support area, and 44-45 area is best, but you cannot blindly take entry in this area because it can also fail. So to filter out false signal, wait for the market to stay like this, and then wait for the market to form any bullish candlestick pattern in 1 hour or in 15 minutes. So it is for the short term, and if you found any candlestick patterns, then you can target 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And risk management, placing your SL, and always going with cutting your losses is very necessary to stay long term in this market. Why? Because if you do not put your SL, and if you think that somehow market will go in your favor, then maybe it can work for one time or two time, but eventually it will cost you your whole account. I have more than 7 years of experience, and I have blown multiple accounts, and now I always put SL, because if I hit this SL, I will cover it in another trade, I will cover it another trade. But if I lose my 50% account, if I lose my whole account, how can I recover? So it's pretty much difficult. So I hope this little advice has worked, and I am also always working with the proper setups and proper market structure, like proper breakup structure, proper change of character, and then combining it with the ICT concepts of fair value gaps. This is the way how you should approach this whole market, and this is how you will get success. I am a Udemy instructor, and I have 5,000 almost total students. So here is our ICT course. Its link will be provided in description. In this you will learn fair value gaps and order blocks. This is the course which you will learn about market structure, breakup structure, change of character, higher highs, higher lows. So always invest on your learnings, always consistently keep improving yourself in this market, because it's a $1 trillion market, and it's not that much easy to go further. Okay, for the candlestick patterns course, that link will also be provided to you in description. Okay, here is our premium group. We provide signals on daily basis. If you wanted to join, then you are most welcome. We have 80% accuracy. So for the short term, Ethereum has good area, and if you found any candlestick pattern here, you can take entry. If not, then it is going to be breakout, and if it broken, then next major area will be this area. If you found any candlestick pattern here, here or here in the 1 hour or 4 hour, then you can take entry for the long term. And how much long term, it depends on the market, how it gave signals. But what is best approach, always keep booking partial profits. Like if you are entered from here, you can book your little proper as take profit here, you can put your take profit here, you can put take profit here. So partial profit booking is very necessary. So if market goes against you, then maybe it will hit your break even, but you must have some little profits in your pocket. So what is break even? Break even is simply when your trade is gone in profit, you put your SL on your entry point. In this way you will break even your trade, and now it cannot give you loss. It can give you profit, but it cannot give you loss, because market had already moved in your favor. I will say that this area 4000 area is very important, and it should work. Maybe this area can also work like this. Total depends on the market and candlestick patterns, which type of candlestick patterns forms.